Thanks for dropping in. Last month, I released the Pop Fidget, a multi-material print that uses both rigid PLA and flexible TPU filaments. The result is a perpetually poppable fidget that you can customize with different colors, layouts, and button styles. In this week's video, I'm going to share 4 new updates that take the design even further. First up is the fidget I was popping the entire video intro. This is the Pop Fidget chain. Each link is printed separately and connects to the chain with a removable pin. With 8 links, you can create a full loop. If you add a few more links, the chain becomes long enough to twist into a Mobius strip, a fidget with only a single side. That means that every button you pop instantly unpops further down the strip. You can keep on pressing buttons forever, and you'll never have to flip the fidget around or run into a button that isn't ready to press. That last update was a little topological, so let's switch to something simpler. The smaller layouts, 1x2, 1x3, 2x2, and 3x3, are now available as keychain holders, perfect for fidgeting on the go. You can complete the look with some keychain hardware, available at just about any craft store. I found a pack of 100 keychain loops for only about $12. The next update is an upgrade for any fidgets you may have already printed. You can now add TPU bumpers to all the standard layouts, from 1x2 to 8x8. These give the fidgets a nice soft grip, and it's an opportunity to add a little extra color to your print. The bumpers should be a pretty tight fit, but if they feel too loose, you can attach them permanently with just a couple drops of super glue. The final update is these 3 circle fidgets. The smallest one uses a compact hexagon pattern for maximum button efficiency. The larger wheel is a good size for 2-hand fidgeting. Combine the two and you get a spinning bearing that calls back to the earliest days of 3D printed fidget designs. If you want, these designs also come with optional bumpers. Well, that's it for Pop Fidget updates. Just like the earlier designs, I'm posting these with step files, so you can remix them even further. As of this recording, there's already been 1 remix layout, a 2x5 case by Elizabeth Millette. If more remixes show up, I'll be sure to add them to my ever-growing remix collection on printables, which I've linked in the video description. Until next time, happy printing, happy popping, and thanks for stopping by. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Since you did, I'll give you a little behind-the-scenes update. I've already mentioned that I plan to revisit my Braille Cell project. Using the same techniques that made all of these fidgets possible, I think I can make the Braille Cell smaller, easier to print, and more reliable. This is one of my earlier attempts at that revision. It's quite a bit smaller than the original design, but I think I could take it further. This is a Braille Cell set, and the tips of each of these buttons is only 200% the size of actual Braille text. And yet, despite this small scale, it still works quite well. I'm still working on polishing this design, so I'm not quite ready to release the files yet, but I hope you look forward to it. See you then!